In this video, we're going to talk about DropFunnels courses marketing software, because there are tons of software out there that you can choose to create a course in. But for one, they're horribly expensive. For two, they're easy, but there's no SEO built in. And for three, well, I hate to say it, but they suck and no one's going to be able to be rated anything for your course. So not only am I going to show you about DropFunnels, how to create a course, but I have one that I have created myself that I can use as an example to show you. Before we get into the video, do me a favor, subscribe to this channel and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any videos that has to do with DropFunnels, affiliate marketing, making money online, and totally dominate that like button. All right, here we are. Welcome to DropFunnels. All right, this is the courses. I had started one here, and there's one that I'm almost done with it, but I'm still working on it too, but it'll be a good example. I'm sure you want to simplify everything in your business. So, of course, you want to simplify your courses. And DropFunnels focuses on courses. And actually, Jordon Mederich, who is the founder, is saying that it will be the de facto course solution over any platform, because, I mean, he wants to make the best product on earth. That is the words from his mouth. I mean, you want to deliver your content easy, fast, and of course, profitable. So courses with DropFunnels is the way to go. I mean, it gives you all of the control that you want in your course, because every page you can make it all however you actually want to. All your pages can be different. They can be the same. They can be whatever you want. And I have been told by several people that has tried other courses that their very favorite is in DropFunnels. Let me show you a few things. We have the course modules, members, your settings, the default pages, email settings. Let's look at the default pages because I want to get right into this. Here is the course login. That's what that looks like. Forgot passwords, kind of self-explanatory. Access block page. That's when someone doesn't have access to it. So someone clicks on, you have a paid program and someone clicks on something that they didn't pay for that part. This is what they'll see. The welcome page, when they first come, this will be what they see. This is your dashboard. All right, this is your dashboard page. And Mike Dillard is the one that this was created from. He's now on our platform and does a lot with it. Lesson template. And this is so cool because this can be changed. You can have any kind of different format that you want. If you click on DropFunnels here, you can change to different templates. There's all different templates that you can choose from. I liked this one. And you can change the colors and everything in it. And of course, you can create every page to be unique, which is freaking awesome. You have your account settings, all your stuff here. And then a little cool thing, if you want, I was playing with this a while ago and I just added it to mine. I already have headers and footers already created. And at first I wasn't going to do it. I'm like, I'm going to put this on here so I can show it to you. So you can have pre-headers and footers where you could automatically have them on your funnels, your blogs, and your course. All right, let's look at this funnel that I have. And then up here it says back to index. If you click on this, you can call these lessons, you can call them modules, you can call them training, you can call it whatever you want. Okay, this is what the very beginning of mine looks like. And again, I'm not through. And anytime you're in a funnel, a website, anything, a course in DropFunnels, if you go up here and you click on DropFunnels, it automatically will bring you to the editor. If you look at this, I have this button right here. Now it says back to index. If you put the link right here, for example, if you go back to here where you have your dashboard page, and you literally can just take this, copy it. I actually had this completely utterly done and I forgot to hit save and publish. And then if you go here and link here, save, then when they click on here, it'll automatically go back to where, see if you click on done, publish, make sure you click on done and publish, back to index. And then when you go back to click on back to index, then it can take you back to that page. But we don't do it right now. Okay, so we have on mine, and I just have 4. So I have the welcome page, lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3, lesson 4. And then you can put anything like on the sides here and anything here. And you can keep adding more and more. Like on the template that I used, that I was showing you, it had a whole bunch of other stuff. But to me, it was too crowded. Too crowded is not good because you want their eyeballs to be on what exactly you want the eyeballs to be on. So from the main page, if you wanted to create the course, click on Create New Course. And create your course description. We're going to call it Course Text. Create the course, and again, this is where you have your course modules and everything else. Your default pages, lesson template. Okay, you have add new unit and add new module. So let's do a unit. We'll call it Unit 1. Select a module. We'll just call it Module 1, or you can call it Lesson 1. Okay, you have your Unit 1. Create this unit. And then underneath your unit, you can add another one, but you won't need a unit, you just need a module. And then we can call this Module 1, Lesson 1, doesn't really matter. And this is where you would add your lesson. Now, out of all of this, it's all pretty straight and easy, but for some reason, I kept losing where you add the lesson. So that's right here. Like, I mean, that you just saw that, that's easy. So this was the hardest part to me. I'm just being honest. And like I was saying a while ago, you could add that as the lesson, and this could be like a session. But I didn't do it that way. I called these lessons. So let's call this one Session A. Submit. And then it shows you how you have your unit, your module, and then I have my session or lesson. Should have done lesson 1 so I don't confuse you. If you think this is cool, go ahead and give me a like for kicks and giggles and add another lesson or session. Session B. Okay, session A, session B. Okay, let's go into the editor. Modules. This here has the menu, the styles. Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff in here I could show you. Okay, modules. You can do select modules from the list. Now from here, you can take and make it where what you want it to show, what you don't want it to show. Okay, another module. So basically, say you have a lesson that you want people, this is a bonus or a special upgrade paid version. And so you can make it where they don't see that right here. Pretty cool, right? And then don't forget, after you've done something, done. And I'm going to repeat that just because I forget to do that half the time. You're probably smarter than me, so. And in here, modules, you can add audio, you can add a header. I was showing you some of the stuff a while ago. This could be this. Okay, and there's your heading. You can go in here, you can change the font, change the styles, the spacing, the color. There's all kinds of things you can do. I'm gonna add a photo. You can also add anything else that you want to it. So like just say you wanted some rows. Say you wanted some rows right here. And we want to put a picture right here. We can change it to anything we want. Let's select a picture. We'll use a tree. It has built-in SEO, so you can use that too. And then you could change the size to make it a little twee. And then you can Styles Advanced. I use this a lot. Like, I want to make this 1, 1, 1, 1. And always that you can choose that. Like if you have your picture and you don't want so much space here, then you change your margins, or up here too. Margarine. I think I said margarine. Margins. Okay, if you were, let's just say that you were done. Done. Publish. Okay, and this would be what it would look like for now. And if you ever wanted to go back, you just go up here to click on DropFunnels and it automatically takes you to the editor. Let's find a button. Let's say we want the button to be right here. Okay. General tells you where to change basically all the easy stuff. This is my button. You can select an icon. If you have a link, like say you're an affiliate marketer and you want a link right here, you can put your link right here. If you want to change how it looks, the text color can be red, just because that showed up first. There's a text hover cover, so like someone just hovers over it. I do that a lot when I have a funnel that has several links in it. It's like, hey, look at me. And then the background color down here, we want it to be green. I just made Christmas on accident. So you can kind of have fun with it. So really, when it comes to the editor, like this is, see how you can see how it highlights it? If we wanted to, and that's full width, we can change that to fixed. Particle backgrounds. This is cool. Yes. I like these things. Snow. And you can change the snow colors too. And I use them kind of lightly in some of my stuff, just to, that's not too stand out-ish. I've got settings. Advanced. More stuff here. Again, I use the margins and stuff like a lot. Background. For real. That's some bright stuff. So I was just going to show you, you can do a bunch of stuff with the editor. And then if you just want to get rid of stuff, say you didn't want in this video and just delete it. And you can add a video back. And then if you want to duplicate something, we want to duplicate. I do this a lot too, duplicate. Because say like I have a bunch of stuff that I'm talking about, then I can just change it. Or if you're doing, I had it where I had several different steps all planned out, and so I had all the different steps, like 1, 2, 3, 4. I actually ended up deleting them because I didn't want it to be too much there. So that comes in handy, so handy whenever you have that there as well. And then again, when you're done, click on done and publish. Oh, and over here when you're done, make sure you click on save and then done and then publish. Now, of course, there's tons that you can do in DropFunnels, but I really just wanted to cover the basics and not get you overwhelmed. As you can see, you know, on mine, I have everything pretty simple and easy. You know, I have my lesson 1, 2, 3, 4, done, publish. So if you look at mine where it's not in the editor, this is actually what it looks like. It's an affiliate marketing free program. So free course. So that's what it will end up looking like, which I'm still not done with it. I still need to finish it, but I just wanted to do this video to show you guys that you can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. DropFunnels is easy. My 10-year-old could do it. But if you do have any questions at all, there's no stupid question. Just put it in the comments down below and I will get back with you. I hope you enjoyed the video. And after watching that, I hope you're hyped up to create a course. And not just to create a course, but to create it in DropFunnels. Yeah. Speaking of that, I'll have a link down in the description. For a limited time, I am offering some special bonuses. Not only am I going to offer you all of the normal bonuses and stuff that you get with me, which is tons of other courses, from ads to affiliate marketing, I could go on and on, but you could have a blog. Like, an amazing blog, and he's going to write 1,000-word blog for $30. Yeah, he's telling me to limit it to 20 people, but I'm sure I'm going to get that extended. But it really won't last. So if you're watching this video soon, if not, if it's later on, it's okay. I'm sure I'll have something else because I love DropFunnels and I'm always trying to promote it because it doesn't only, I make a small commission, but it helps you. Like, even if you don't even sign up underneath me, sign up underneath someone else because it's a really good software that can totally help your business. It can freaking dominate your business. All right. If you like this video, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put a video up here. Speaking of blogs, the blogging is phenomenal with DropFunnels. And so I have a video that's next about blogging with DropFunnels. I'll see you in it.